All right, I want to talk about my exhaust. In my recent videos, I was explaining the position of it, and this is what I wanted to show y'all. So it's down here, pointing towards the ground. I'm not sure what type of exhaust it is. It's definitely aftermarket, but really, I mean, is there a reason for this? Is it purely aesthetic? Curious. Y'all need to let me know. And you know, it does sound mean though. This is what it sounds like. Let me turn this thing on. I mean, the thing sounds great, but I've never seen it down there at this position. Usually it's up, kind of like here, you know. Love it. Sounds fucking great. But yeah, let me know if